operating segment have three components. The component of an entity is the first one is that engage in business activity from which it may earn revenue and incur expenses, including revenues and expenses relating to transaction with other components of the same entity. The second one is whose operating results are regularly reviewed by the entity's chief operating decision maker to make decisions about resources to be allocated to the segment and assess its performance. And lastly is for which discrete financial information is available. An operating segment may engage in business activity for which it has yet to earn revenues. For example, startup operations may be operating segments before earning revenues. CODM, Chief Operating Decision Maker, is a person or group of people in an entity who is responsible for allocating resources to operating segment and assessing the performance of those segments. They typically refers to top-level management such as the Chief Executive Officer, which is CEO, Chief Operating Officer, COO, the senior management team of the Board of Directors. CODM role is important to ensure that financial reporting under MFRS8 reflects the actual management structure and decision-making process of the company. For example, for company CIMB Bank, Novan Amiruddin is Group Chief Executive Officer or Executive Director. Previously, Novan held the position of Co-Chief Executive Officer of Group Wholesale Banking and CEO of CIMB Investment Bank. Another example for another company which is Farm Fresh Berhad, Loy Tuan E is the Group CEO of Farm Fresh Milk Malaysia. He is also the founder and Group Managing Director of the company. Loy is known for his passion for agriculture and his vision to produce fresh and pure dairy products.
Business segment reporting refers to the reporting the financial performance of different major operating business and activities or product lines within the company. This means that a company needs to report separately for each distinct product or service it provides. For each, this segment may have different risks and return. Four major operating division is consumer banking, commercial banking, wholesale banking, and CIMB digital assets and group funding. For consumer banking provides everyday banking solution to individual customer covering both conventional and Islamic financial product and service such as residential property loan, non-residential property loan, secured personal loan, motor vehicle financing, credit cards, unsecured personal financing, wealth management, remittance and foreign exchange, deposit and internet banking service. Next, commercial banking. Commercial banking offers product and service for customer segment comprising small and medium-scale enterprise and mid-sized corporation. Their product and service include banking credit facilities, trade financing, cash management, online business platform, remittance and foreign exchange, as well as general deposit products. Wholesale banking. Wholesale banking comprises investment banking, corporate banking, treasury and markets, transaction banking, equities and private banking. Investment banking includes end-to-end client coverage and advisory service. Client coverage focuses on marketing and delivering solutions to corporate and financial institutional clients, whereas advisory offers financial advisory service to corporations on issuance of equity and equity-linked products, debt restructuring, initial public offerings, secondary offering, and general corporate advisory. Lastly, CIMB Digital Assets and Group Funding. CIMB Digital Assets drive all strategic partnership across business lines group-wide and explore strategic equity joint ventures in the ecosystem space. Group funding encompasses a wide range of activities from capital, balance sheets, and fixed income investment and management, as well as the funding and incubation of corporate ventures and projects. The second type of segment reporting is geographical segment report. The group business segments are managed on worldwide basis and they operate mainly in four main geographical areas, which are Malaysia as the home country of the group, which include all the areas of operation in the business segment. Next, Indonesia. The area of operation in this country include all the business segment of a subsidiary bank, PT Bank CIMB Niaga. Furthermore, Thailand, the area of operation in this country include all business segments of a subsidiaries, CIMB Thai Bank Public Company Limited and Centene Assets Management Company Limited. Besides that, Singapore, the areas of operation in this country include all the business segment of a subsidiary bank, CIMB branch in Singapore. And lastly, other countries include branch and subsidiary operation in United Kingdom, China, Cambodia, Hong Kong and Vietnam, and Philippines. The overseas operation involve mainly in corporate lending and borrowing and stockbroking activities. With the exception of the Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand and Singapore, no other individual country contributed more than of the consolidated net interest income or assets.
According to MFRS8, listed companies must disclose segment data which helps in determining the type of company operations and the financial impact of various economic conditions. This presentation uses the 2034 financial statements of CIMB Group Holding Berhad as an example to show two important advantages of segmental reporting. Firstly, improve the knowledge of geographic market revenue drivers. Users can better evaluate market risk and growth opportunities by determining which regions influence business performance through segmental reporting. As we can see, Malaysia is CIMB's primary market since it generates the most income and has the biggest asset base. The group's geographic diversification is further enhanced by its continued strong presence in Singapore and Indonesia. Users can use these insights to analyze CIMB's exposure to various economic contexts and determine how regional market conditions might affect the company's performance. Secondly, better analysis of business segment efficiency and profitability. Users can evaluate how efficiently capital is distributed within the group and compare the performance of different industries through segmental reporting. As we can see, the biggest contributor to net income is consumer banking, indicating its high level of profitability even though wholesale banking owns the majority of the assets. Its revenue is less than that of consumer banking, indicating less effective use of capital. Commercial banking demonstrates operational efficiency by achieving relatively high profitability despite having a smaller asset base. This records assist users in assessing each segment's performance and determining the degree to which the group's financial result and strategic goals line up.
MFRS134 is equivalent to IAS 34 interim financial reporting as adopted and amended by the ISB, including the effective and issuance dates. Entities that comply with MFRS134 will simultaneously be in compliance with IAS 34. The following terms are used in the standard with the meaning specified. Interim period is a financial reporting period shorter than a full financial year. Next, interim financial report means a financial report containing either a complete set of financial statements or a set of condensed financial statements as described in this standard for an interim period. MFRS 134 prescribes the minimum content including disclosure and identify the recognition and measurement principle that should be applied in interim financial report.
There are two significant events in this company. Firstly, following the financial year that concluded on December 31st, 2024, CIMB Thai issued 706 million Thai baht worth of various unsecured structured debentures. These debentures bear variable interest rates that are payable at maturity and have tenures that range from 1 to 3 months from the dates of issuance. Additionally, following the financial year, CIMB Thai redeemed 505 million Thai baht in unsecured structured debentures. Additionally, CIMB Thai repaid 4.8 billion in unsecured short-term debentures on January 8, 2025. The second significant event is the companies issued and paid out capital grew after the financial year that concluded on December 31, 2024. The number of shares increased from 10.728 billion to 10.734 billion. The issuance of 5.9 million additional common shares totaling Rm 32.5 million was the cause of this increase. Following the exercise of options under the long-term incentive plan employee share option scheme, the new shares were issued.
This is CIMB current period and comparative period in tabular format. First, we have statement of financial position, which is SOFI is as at 31st December 2024 and the comparative period is as at 31st December 2023. For the statement of profit or loss, the current period is as at 1st October 2024 until 31st December 2024 and the comparative period is as at 1st October 2023 until 31st December 2023. For the statement of changes in equity, the current period is as at 1st October 2024 until 31st December 2024 and the comparative period is as at 1st October 2023 and until 31st December 2023. And lastly, statement of cash flow, the current period is at 1st October 2024 until 31st December 2024 and the comparative period is as at 1st October 2023 and until 31st December 2023. This is the snippet from the statement of financial position for 2024 and 2023. This is the snippet for CIMB for the statement of profit or loss at 31st December 2024 and 31st December 2023. This is snippet for the statement of changes in equity as at 31st December 2024. This is snippet for the statement of changes in equity as at 31st December 2023. And lastly, this is snippet for the statement of cash flow as at 31st December 2024 and as at 31st December 2023. That's